Hello everyone, welcome to Conscious Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing to do, and it's another of those collectibles that I like to collect. I'm just covering my information, of course, it's for privacy, and of course I don't want to be hacked again. So we'll see what this one is. As you well know by now, and according to my videos, mostly I do old coins and stamps and old Bible. So this one is I think it's another Bible that I have, an old one, very old one, and it's something special because it's one of those Freemason Bible that I saw online. I didn't bid on it, but it was offered to me by the seller below the asking price he wants. So I grabbed the opportunity and I got this one. As you all know, the Freemasons are old society, and they have Bibles as well that they use, like this one. So I just want to show you this one first. So this is a Freemason Bible. So you can see Grand Lodge, and ancient pre and accepted Masons of New Zealand. So this is a New Zealand Freemason Bible that I have, and this is a 1930, as you can see, from the Waitemata Lodge, Lodge number 176. As you can see, this is 1930, and this one is more older, more older than this Bible. Even have the box, although I don't have the cover though. But yeah, it's so this is the newer version, and this is the older one. But this is not newer actually, because it's 1930 as well. So it's an old one. I have a newer one, like in the mixed 1960s, more, I think, shorter than this one and a little bit thinner, as you can see. So yeah, okay, we'll have a look with this another old Bible. I like to collect old books, and this is the books that that I prefer to collect because it's guaranteed that they'll be old. Actually, unlike other books that that have lots of versions and all those. Of course, this is what ultimate old Bibles, or the the ultimate old ones that I can find. Yeah. So this one is, as we can see, it's from Southern Crop Lodge, and it says EL. That's the Invercargill. This lodge is from Invercargill, and Invercargill is on the southern tip of New Zealand, on the South Island. So it's way below New Zealand on the far end, and it's lodge number 997. So I don't know how old is this one, but of course, as you can see, it is truly an old one by the looks of it. And it have inscriptions that says British and Foreign Bible Society, and I can figure out this one, but it says sold under cost 10 pence. So it is, very old one, 10 pence or 10 penny. So I don't know these names. Maybe the ones who owned this Bible, maybe in time. As you can see, Hayden Adamson, Nib, I don't know. Maybe their family member, maybe they're old Freemasons from New Zealand. And I don't know how old is this. I don't see any the moment. I don't see any any dates. Yeah, so see, first time I'm gonna see it, because when it was posted on Trade Me, I see only few pictures of it. So this is a first book of Moses called Genesis. Okay, so it's an old one, very old, and someone wow, throughout the years someone folded this one. So now I'm gonna open it and see what's in there. So maybe they're okay. Maybe it's pointing with this praise a golden bell and a pomegranate, a golden bell and a pomegranate upon the helm of robe around about. I don't know about that. Yeah, Exodus. So wow. See, another fold in the Bible. Usually, the people who fold these ones, they have special meanings on these pages. They probably see something that inspired them. So it's from the Judges 7. Wow. And it shall came to pass. And it came to pass the same night that the Lord said unto him, Take thy father young bullock, even second bullock. Oh, it's nice. Having, oh, someone wrote something, and someone caused something. Oh, okay. What's written in this one? Having communicated. No, wow, okay. Having communicated. I don't know what that means, but there's an X here, so there's a meaning to this, to these chapters of the Bible that they cross out, and wow. See, it's also fold here. It's a lot of folds. Oh, see another one. Look at this. It says, "Hear thou thy son, and hear thou my son, and be wise, and guide thine heart in the way. Be not among the wine bibblers, among riotous eaters of flesh." Oh, wow, okay. Yep, nothing much. And a page of it. I don't know if it's on this. Probably at the end, eh? But it's Canaan, 12 tribes. Wow, it's probably in the end of the Bible. Someone put it there. Look at that. Watkins binder. Wow. I don't see the date of this Bible. I'll leave this one here. Maybe probably it's not there, but yeah, I'll leave it here. Oh, there's one more here. Oh, yep. Okay, I don't know what I don't see any pages that have the dates. But I'll do more research on this and see what this one, what year. And I see another cross. Look. So someone studying, well, years ago, someone studied the scriptures of the Bible, I guess. Yeah. So that's what I like. I like old Bibles. I like old books as well, but these are the old books that I like. I mean, the old ones. Yeah. And of course, it have a history in which you can see the, yeah, like this one that belongs to the Freemasons. Uh, it have names and dates and everything as well. So, but this one doesn't have any. So the only thing I can find, well, I will look in Google, which which have the same writings here. Sold under cost of 10 pence. All right. Okay. So yeah. So we have a Freemason Bible, an old one. This is my oldest one. Then after this, and I have a few more that have, I think like 1960s, I think. And I also gave one of my old Bible, well, 1960s, I think, 67 or something. One Freemason Bible I gave to one friend of mine who's a Freemason as well. So yeah. Alright. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins, stamps, and some of my collections like this Bible. Thank you. Have a good day.